Hello, Richmont students. We are finally up and running in the Trinity course as of today, although it's been especially encouraging to see so many of you posting and getting to know one another in the last few days, even before the official launch date. It feels so good to be doing this. My name's Josh, and you've already seen my course introduction, but I've been involved in curriculum development for the Masters of Ministry Online since the beginning of this year, and so all of those who have been involved in that process are very, very excited about today, and very excited about the diverse group of students that we have, particularly in the Trinity course. I just want to take a moment to walk through the ins and outs of the syllabus so that you're getting a confident start, understand what some of the expectations are, and understand when the various assignments are due. As you can imagine, in an 8-week course format, things move fast, and so you having a firm grasp of the schedule and the cycle of the work is going to be really helpful to you. So let me pull up the syllabus here, and I just want to walk through Roman numeral number 4, which breaks down the evaluation criteria. And basically there are 5 different types of assignments, pieces of which are due every week that comprise your grade. The first are weekly essays. These are due at the very end of the unit, so they'll be due on Monday night each week. And the purpose of those weekly essays is to show me your engagement with the reading so that I can be in dialogue with you about that. The second weekly piece of work are the weekly discussion posts. And this includes an initial post that answers the question given each week from the readings, and also the requirement here is at least 2 responses to other students' posts. These help to foster community so that you're not isolated in your learning during the course. Now, the initial post is due Saturday night by midnight each week, which means we have 2 days then to dialogue with one another toward the end of the unit. I think that'll be very fruitful. The third assignment is participation in the weekly synchronous session. Those will take place on 5 o'clock on Thursdays Eastern Time, and there are some preparatory questions that I want you to be ready to talk through each Thursday. So the expectation is that you've done the reading by that point and are ready to engage with the class around the reading. The Adobe Connect link is located on the course website, so you should be able to pull that right up, and I will be waiting for you to begin our session promptly at 5 o'clock every Thursday. Also, there is a brief, I say lecture, it's really more of a story or a summary each week, along with a response requirement from you. Those are due Saturday. The goal here is to interact with one another again around the lecture content. And then finally, there is a research paper in the Trinity course. However, it's broken down into specific assignments so that I can personally coach you through the process. I know for some of us it's been a little while since we've been in school, and developing your writing and research chops will take a little bit of time, and so that's why we've broken down this assignment very intentionally. This week, for example, the only thing that's due is the selection of your research paper topic, and there are samples that you can choose from, or you can create your own. When you add those to the Dropbox and I go back and grade it, I'll simply be able to provide feedback about research avenues and perhaps breaking down or focusing your topic so that it's more palatable. The point is just to have an ongoing dialogue through the process of your research paper so that I can help you, that I can serve you, that I can help you to write and research in an efficient manner. So we begin this week with the reading of the Little Erickson book, and I apologize I left it downstairs in my office, but it's a wonderful introduction to the subject of the Trinity. It's a very easy read, and I look forward to discussing it with you on Thursday night. If I can be of service at all during the week, don't hesitate to email me, josh@mountparan.com. That's josh@mtparan.com. My cell phone number is 404-665-7007. I will get back to you within 24 hours, and yes, I do text if you prefer to communicate that way. Thanks. Looking forward to getting to know each of you during the course. God bless.